Welcome back to another video. In today's
She
video, I'll be
explained to
making
him, so
popcorn
I don't know.
for my daughter. Not me. I'll be popping popcorn for my daughter. Yeah, she asked for popcorn, but I do not have a microwave, so I decided to use the pot to do it. So all you have to do is dip a little oil in the pot in case you don't have a microwave, and add butter to it and stir it, right? And throw the popcorn in the pot. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks to those of you that has been supporting my channel. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Please help me to grow my channel by subscribing if you see this video. Alright? And I hope everything is going on well in your life. And just in case everything is not working out the way you want it to, do not give up hope. Just have faith and pray. Better days will come. As long as you're still breathing, you still have the chance to achieve your goals. Yeah. So bless up to everyone and stay prayed up.